Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted comments on Instagram. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app on your phone. Then, go to the post where you want to recover the deleted comment. It can be your post or someone else's post. Tap on the comment section to see all the comments. Now, find the comment that you want to recover. It can be your comment or someone else's comment. Press and hold the comment until a menu pops up. Then, tap on the trash icon to delete the comment. Don't worry, this is not the final step. You still have a chance to recover the comment. As soon as you delete the comment, you will see a message at the bottom of the screen that says comment deleted. Undo. This is the key to recovering the deleted comment. All you have to do is tap on the undo button before it disappears. If you do that, the comment will be restored and you will see it in the comment section again. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.